Hello, and welcome to the first episode of 6 Minutes News. I'm Gemma Collins. Each week we'll be keeping you up to date with the latest medical news from Australia and across the world. For our top story today, we'll be looking at controversial plans that will see pharmacies offering flu vaccination services. But first, here are some of the medical stories making headlines this week. Health Minister Nicola Roxon has announced another 9 new e-health pilot sites, but the AGPN says they are moving the focus away from primary care. The new National Medical Board has banned retired doctors from prescribing and referring. A study in Victoria found patients who've had a major coronary event or procedure need more help in getting their risk factors under control. And the AMA is calling on the government to stop universities imposing fees of up to $220,000 for a medical degree. Back to our top story. Pharmacy chain Priceline is offering customers the chance to get their flu vaccination in store without needing to see a GP. No prescription will be needed. Patients can book an appointment and they will receive their vaccination from a nurse at the cost of $30. Priceline is planning to roll out the scheme across Australia next week for 15 to 64-year-olds. But doctors have raised concerns about the flu vaccine being given outside of the general practice setting. And they have questioned how pharmacies will be able to deal with any adverse reactions that the patients may have. Dr. Brian Morton, chair of the AMA's Council of General Practice, told 6 Minutes about his concerns.
The problem with those things being provided in pharmacies is that it's more fragmentation of care. There's always that opportunistic visit that enables you to check cardiovascular risk and other sorts of things, and it's further evidence that healthcare is being fragmented and not necessarily in the best interests of the community. What we'd like to see at AMA is that all providers of vaccines undergo the same safety, quality and preparedness that GPs do. And AMA has developed a policy for vaccination providers outside general practice.
Priceline says the vaccines will be given by qualified nurses who are trained in dealing with adverse reactions and also have access to advice from on-call doctors. These are just a few of the stories that you can read about in our daily 6 Minutes newsletter. We hope you've enjoyed our first episode. We would like to invite you to choose a name for our 6 Minutes weekly bulletin. Make your suggestions on our website and you could be in with a chance of winning a home video package. We look forward to seeing your suggestions. I'm Gemma Collins. See you next week.